A low pressure continues to spin right across the upper Midwest and on into the Great Lakes. It's pretty much centered right here in northern Wisconsin, and it's starting to bring in a cooler air mass. We haven't quite felt it yet. A lot of us saw some sun and also saw temperatures make their way in the 50s, but that will all be changing as we head into the overnight. Now, showers are pushing in from the west, and there are going to be only rain showers tonight. We could even start to see a few of these showers begin to change over to that blue kind of shade, and that will indicate snow. First, let's talk about what's happening right now at 52 degrees in Marquette. West-southwest winds at 14 miles per hour and becoming overcast as we speak. Temperatures are in the lower 50s across Marquette, and all to the east, temperatures are pretty warm too, but starting to cool off west. 44 degrees in Ontonagon, while at 45 in Ironwood. Upper 40s in Crystal Falls, middle 40s in Lawrence, 47 currently in Houghton, and for us off to the east, more of the 50s, 54 in Escanaba, at 51 in Manistee, while sitting at 52 in Ishpeming. But it's starting to see the winds come out of the west, and that is what's going to bring in this cooler air mass as we head throughout the next 12 hours. Currently at 15 miles per hour in Marquette, from the southwest, kind of still here in Escanaba at 24, 15 in Houghton, and coming in from the west at 15 in Ironwood, and that cooler air will continue to spread its way eastward throughout the evening, and temperatures across the entire state are actually pretty mild. 62 in Houghton Lake, 66 in Detroit, while at 54 in Manistee and 55 here for us in Escanaba. So not quite as warm as yesterday. If you remember, they were noticing temperatures in the 70s, so just a tad cooler. For our headlines, we're going to expect a wintry mix as we head into the overnight. Doesn't look like anything of significance for us, as the roadways should be okay. Not going to expect a heavy snow event at all, but you're still going to want to watch out for those areas that could be prone to that ice kind of coating on the ground, and that will be usually right along bridge passes. But partly sunny as we go throughout the later portions of the day on Wednesday, but remaining cold. We'll possibly even have a slight chance of a rain snow mix early tomorrow morning and maybe even tomorrow night with some moisture just hanging around, but it's not really going to add up to much of anything. As we take a look at the setup, area of low pressure pushing off to the northeast, but on the backside really bringing in that cooler air mass, and also starting to pick up our winds. We have noticed that throughout the afternoon today. And taking a look at tomorrow, well, the cold front continues to sweep its way eastward, and a lot of that moisture will push out of here by tomorrow evening, and we could be just partly to mostly cloudy, with some areas still seeing some of those sporadic maybe flakes or either sprinkles. And as we take a look at our futurecast model, here goes low pressure pushing his way off to the northeast. There goes the snow that we could be seeing throughout the overnight. Cooler throughout the day on Wednesday, not going to be warm at all. And as we head into Thursday night and on into Friday, that's when things get a lot more interesting for us. We'll have a decent chance of seeing a good snow shower work its way in, but even that doesn't look to be a lot, and that will start to push out of here by Friday evening and Friday night. For tonight, we'll be at 33 degrees, isolated rain, snow mixture, northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday, expected to be colder for us and breezy. Northwest winds between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Also watch out for that rain snow mix as you head out early in the morning. 41 degrees in Lawrence at 42 in Ontonagon, while at 46 in Crystal Falls, and seeing more of the lower 40s in Marquette, while middle 40s in Munising and in Manistee. Your bus stop forecast, we'll look out for a temperature around 33 degrees, so have a jacket ready for the kids for sure, especially with winds between 5 to 15 miles per hour, creating wind chills. That will be in the 20s. And for our 7-day forecast, slight chances of rain and snow on Wednesday and Thursday, but heading into Halloween, and also for some of us heading into high school football games, playoff games, we'll be looking out for temperatures in the 30s only, the lower 30s for highs, and that snow to be flying all around before starting to clear out by the weekend, but keeping the cool air around.